Buenos dias. Just want to take a quick moment to congratulate and recognize Professional Administrative Day and all that you bookkeeping and accounting staff and everybody involved does for us. We couldn't do it without you. You're critical to our operation, and you're certainly many times the unsung heroes. So you don't want me to sing, but I'm singing my song for you today. So, Buenos dias. Okay, don't forget, today's always Monday. Take care. Appreciate all you do. Adios.